guys, how you doing? My name is Tosin and welcome back. So today I'll be showing you one of my favorite recipe for green tea. I'm sure you'll be wondering, green tea recipe? Okay, so I'm going to show you what I do, what I had to make my tea more flavorful. Okay, so I'll be using some fresh herbs straight from my garden. For those who don't know, I have a garden, a mini garden that I nurture. So I grow vegetables, herbs, spices, and I also have indoor plants. So today I'll be using 3 fresh herbs from my garden. One of it is stevia. So stevia is a natural sweetener. For those who don't know, you can actually get this. This is just straight from the plant. Or you can also use honey if you love honey, or if you love sugar, brown sugar, whichever one. Whatever it is that is your preference, you can actually use to sweeten your green tea. And the second one here that I have is mint, fresh mint. So this is just to give it like a minty flavor, and I'm gonna add mint to my tea. And this is lemon balm. So lemon balm actually helps to reduce stress. So I'll be adding these 3 herbs, fresh herbs, into my tea mixture. I'll also be adding fresh ginger to my tea. So let's get started. I'll be adding my green tea inside my pot. Then the next thing is the ginger paste. Then I'll add some lemon balm, like I already shared with you earlier. Lemon balm goes into it. I'll be adding 3 leaves. I'll be adding stevia leaves to it. These are all fresh from my garden. And last but not least is mint. So I'm adding some mint inside this. Here we have our hot water. So I'll give it a little bit of stir so that everything can be infused inside and close. Now we are done and it's time to enjoy a cup of tea. Cheers, guys. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this video and I hope you learned 1 or 2 things on how you can make your own green tea very delicious. Of course, you can use fresh herbs. And cheers to you, my tea lovers. Cheers to you guys, and